which person you interviewed that answered the question before?
I set up the video.
Hello guys, what's up? It's your girl Chiney and welcome to a very special edition of the On My Mind series. Now I invited a friend to come over for a chit chat, and I'm sure some of you guys might know her. You know, she has nice hair, she yellow, she sing a couple songs, she always talk the things them on the internet like pineapple for the PumPum. Yes, my friend DYDY is coming over for a little girl chat, so let's go get her. I think she's here by now. Not now? Hi!
Hi.
How are ya?
Hi, how are you?
Good, welcome.
La 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 la. Boy, I'm used to love you. Now I hate you, I love you. Now I hate you, I love you.
So long enough, we kind of go there and kind of something. It's not how we treat celebrities.
I'm sorry.
No.
I'm sorry. Welcome.
Thanks for having me.
To our
Pineapple for the... I
Yeah.
can see that on camera?
Yes.
Oh, pineapple for the PumPum, and I left none for me.
Sorry.
Not
Put it back.
No, put it back.
I walk with it if you want.
The pain, deception, the foolery.
So welcome to Moi Airbnb Mountain View. Yes. No, it's it. Guess what those are? I bet you don't know what those are.
The pineapple. Oh, she gonna come ask me like say me don't know. Me not must know say that's a pineapple. Come on now, talking to the queen here. You know, put like from a tattoo. Of course, we supposed to know.
Checking out the view from up here. Bet you don't know what that is.
Which one?
Over there, so.
Which one?
Right here. Come over here so you can see it. Right here, but you don't know what that is.
This right here, sir?
No, right there, sir. The blue track. You see it?
The blue track or the trees?
The track.
The stadium track? I was like, girl,
Okay. What's over there?
the airport. What you make country girl if you like somebody know Kingston a style thing.
Alright, so we're gonna have a little chit chat, catch up with you and see like walk on with it lately. Don't worry, you're not gonna drop, so
Feel shaky, trouble the day. Popcorn vibes, trouble the day.
No trouble, girl. No trouble at all. Okay, so now that we're in our little chill spot with the view of the city behind, I don't know, or the New York City view, got told our view to them.
We live in New York City.
I know, but you know.
Whatever, she come to a shade and she never know what it
Before the internet, what was DYDY doing with your life?
DYDY was in school, so I was studying first. Well, DYDY was all over the place because DYDY switched from therapist to lawyer to nurse to surgical nurse to business management and media communications because I used to work on the radio in New York City.
Okay.
And it just hit me like I'm not happy doing those things because I wanted, ever since I was a child, it was always music for me. But then I left Jamaica. When I left Jamaica, fully left when I was 16. And I started taking music seriously here when I was 16. And I don't know if you know DYDY. He produced the song for Region King. Gala said King
Tub.
Yeah. So
I saw it. Okay.
yeah.
Alright.
So he has been my friend since high school and stuff, and we were going to start like producing and things, but then I'm my only child and my mother was like, okay, I'm ready for you now, time for your boogie. So when I left here, I started going to school and stuff, and I was miserable because, as I said, that's not what I love. I was basically pleasing my family because, you know, as I got foreign, the first thing Caribbean parents wanted to study is nursing and blah blah blah. And I started doing that, and then after I was like, as I said, this is not what I wanted to do. So I started making videos with girls and prints them, because when I went out and did like research and reach out to producers in New York that I wanted to work with, when I actually went into the studio to work with them and I recorded, and after it's time for me to get my songs, they started to put like, yo, what does your lip do? Like, we can't get some here and stuff there, and I didn't want to be that girl, so I left it on pause, and then I saw everybody making videos, and I was like, yo, I could do this. And I came up with the character DYDY.
Do you remember your first video on Instagram?
PumPum contract, man, where it's like once you enter you can't leave. It's like PumPum contract. That's what kind of went viral.
When that video came out, were you expecting the response from the people that you got?
Some yes and some no, because to be honest, I got till this day I still get bashing.
Oh yeah?
Yeah man, I get bashing, and sometimes it puzzles me because it's like I'll get bashing from my own. Like you have like other countries that support me, like Trinidad, Guyana, England, all over.
Right.
And it's like they just bash me here. It used to affect me at one time, and then I was like, you know what? I'm proud because Jamaicans, they bill you.
Okay.
Like they break you and then they bill you. So in a way, I look at it in a positive way. Like they bill you, they break you, and then they bill you stronger again.
Okay.
And when the other breakings come, and when them say, alright, cool, she's strong, you know, then back off a little bit.
Have you feel like the internet changed you?
No, I'm still the same person. I'm still the same DYDY, like everybody says it. Like before Instagram until now, still the same humble, sweet person.
Okay.
It's just the only thing I'm kind of like more standoffish when it comes to people. Like I'm very cool, as you can see, but very standoffish when it comes to people a little bit, because I've been doing this for like almost 5 years now, and because of what came with it, and I didn't have any guidance or anything like from the start, like I was doing everything by myself. So you know, a couple mishaps and wrong turn and them thing there. So because of past experience with that and like what people do to me and what I've gone through, I'm very standoffish when it comes to like people.
Okay.
And
Because I was about to ask you, how did you transition to the music? I didn't know that you were actually trying to do the music thing before the character took off. So obviously now the character took off, you probably felt like, okay, now it's time for me to put my music forward again.
Yeah.
You have your fan base, you see that people support you on the internet, so obviously your music would be another thing in addition to the videos that you do and people support you. How has your fans transitioned into accepting DYDY the musician?
It's
Them like it or
some do, some don't, because I lost followers.
really?
Yeah man, you have some people who would then bash me. They're like, oh, I think it's so disrespectful, we followed her for videos and all of a sudden she's just up and doing music.
Say if we just do the one thing?
Me don't pay them no mind, you know. I've learned to just block and delete nowadays.
Okay.
So I don't pay attention, but so far the support, it's been great. Like not even, I wouldn't even say good, like, because me saying good would make me ungrateful. It's been great because Toucan did well,
Right.
Special One did well, Ting-a-ling did okay, Stress Free did great because it went to #2 on the iTunes charts in like 24 hours.
Oh yes, that's awesome.
Call My Name dropped a couple weeks ago. It's getting there. My streamings, for somebody who just pretty much just transitioned over to music, my streams are doing well.
Did you expect the success with Toucan?
La 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 la. The song done. Why me used to love you? Now I hate you, I love you. Two can play that game. Two can play that game. You love me, me I love you back.
Like when you realize that shit, like people are listening, people are buying, people are streaming, people are sending videos, people singing it, like how did that make you feel knowing that you've been trying to do this music thing?
You know, so not till this day, it still not hit me. It's the weirdest thing. Like my manager will be complaining to me sometimes. My friends are like, yo DYDY, you're a star, like what is wrong with you? It's still not concrete yet. Like people will be sending me videos of it playing in Jamaica and
Nice.
DJ them
I've
pause
done that.
it.
I've sent her a video one
Yeah.
time when them played like in a dance.
People pause it and they're like, yo, the song big. I'm like, the song is about to be like two years old now.
But still play.
Still play, but a song usually take 6 to 1 year to actually blow. So
Right.
I guess that's one of them things there.
Transitioning now to your new single. Tell me a little bit about that and what's new with that.
Call me name, 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 call me name.
Call My Name, it just dropped. As I said, like it's doing its thing, but we have like so much surprises coming because I'm actually here working on new material, going to shoot a video for the new material. So, you know,
So give me a surprise and see what they
No.
are looking. I say everybody
No, I don't
look.
have surprise. I have goodies for you though. I have stuff from my merch.
Okay.
So I have a for the PumPum hat and I have a pop socket. I call it PumPum socket, but I call it pop socket. So I have goodies, but I can't give you no info on the song and the video and just know say a video coming.
Tell me 3 things you think people are obsessed with DYDY.
Oh God.
Oh God, say don't say I'm more than 3. We're gonna get talk to me.
No, I think they're obsessed with my hair.
Okay, here.
It's super annoying because it's like, yo, like, have nice eyes, you know. Sometimes they change color. They do. Actually.
You do?
Yes. You have nice eyes. The next thing is my lips. For guys out there, if you're trying to like have a conversation with me, the worst thing you can actually do is give me a compliment on my lips. I hate it. Not that I hate my lips, I just hate the
What
fact
if them
that...
must say it look moisturized?
No, man, me tired right now, man. That's all they see, like...
Or,
Like me hate it. Talk about my eyes. I have a little nose-ish, little-ish, you know, little.
cute nose.
Yeah, you know, something. I have nice fingers. Something.
But now look on
I
that.
have nice. So I get compliments on my hair.
Uh-huh.
I get compliments on my lips.
Right.
And I get compliments on my cheek when I smile. Let's say I have chubby cheek or a fat face or whatever.
I was
I'm a
thinking
personality.
Because you post like nice pictures that show like, you know, like
I'm
your
not telling
angles
us
with your
that
eyes
change
and
color,
everything.
snow, soul snatches. Look too deep into them goodie you gone. In love.
So that you use catch them.
I have to work with when I have Chiney. Remember me not a body, you know.
You know that you're
Listen,
very like
nobody
like,
with it. You know if it start. It's okay. Me accept it.
You accept it?
Me accept it.
Alright.
But they know what they say about skinny girls with flat body, PumPum fats. And all
Oh
this.
well, we can't see all that now, but
No.
I use it for the PumPum.
Exactly.
How did you come up with it for the PumPum, by the way?
You know, so the funny thing. I know if you ever heard of Timberley. Remember
Yes.
Timberley?
Tim, yeah.
Big up yourself, Tim.
Hey.
When Snapchat was a big thing, everything that I posted on Snapchat, because people would provoke me and be like, because I'm a foodie. So every time when I post something, yeah, I'm a foodie, like serious foodie. That's why I made this off when I come, like me, foodie.
Okay.
So everything that I posted, people would start talking mad stuff like, yo, eat myself for the PumPum. Everything for the PumPum. So till people start follow the line, and the first person who started posting about this was Tim.
Okay.
Cause her boyfriend asked her like, "What are you talking about?" She's like, "Dad, I said for the PumPum." And
Okay.
he's like, "Tim, what?" So and then because pineapple plays a big part in my life. It was my dad's favorite fruit. It's also my favorite fruit, and a lot of people don't understand that pineapple means royalty, because back in the day, like they had to rent pineapples for events.
Rent?
Yeah, had to rent them.
Okay.
So I put it over to that and say pineapple for the PumPum, which it actually works because we test it out. I'm not gonna promote something and we don't test it out.
Well,
like,
we need to test that too.
test it out. I say when a bad girl, bad girl eat pineapple and drink pineapple juice and go get next one diabetes. Hello. So me actually test it out. Mad one. You know what I say?
Okay, so
Yeah.
it's true.
It is true, but it's not even just about pineapple, because I see a lot of people that bash me. For the PumPum movement is basically promoting self-care.
Okay.
And I spoke about it. It's not just eating a pine. You eat fruit, take care of yourself. You are what you eat. The PumPum tastes like what you eat.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're going to eat pizza, a bag of cheese, it's going to smell cheesy, taste cheesy, all type of something. You know, you have to take care of yourself, go to a gynecologist, get your pap smear, get your wash them, all them something there. You know what I say? Take care of yourself.
Okay, take care of yourself. I'm just like blown away. Like, am I doing this right? Like, I had ice cream. I had like a bunch of things. Like,
It's
what
a
am I
balance.
doing?
It's a balance, because here, now that I'm in Jamaica, it's like it's just straight coconut water, like a big bucket of that coconut water and
Okay.
stuff. So when that go on, you know, even if you have a yeast, right?
Right.
If you drink off a bottle of water that 2 days, yeah, like a big bottle of that, like in a 1 day, and drink another one, it gone. Because when you go to a doctor and they give you these medications and stuff, it relieves the symptoms for a couple hours, for a couple days, and then it comes right back. But if
Gotcha.
you watch what you eat, you're good, because it also comes off of what you eat. So if you eat junk and you not drink water and you not drink this, you're gonna have yeast, probably get a UTI, probably get a vaginal infection, all them something there. So it definitely comes down to what you eat.
Really nice.
I'm recording, go.
What's beautiful?
The what I'm seeing here.
Ah, bitch, you hear him say, well, I got so we beautiful.
Me or she?
The camp, no.
The whole settings.
Let me ask you this: when you look at your analytics, do you have more female followers than men?
You know the funny thing about that, it's like it's half and half, you know. The men, they don't enough of themselves and say much on my page, but they are, because when he checks like my fan base and certain streaming stuff, and it shows a lot of men.
I lie.
Yeah, them just quiet and now watch, and then when them see me in a person, they're like, oh my god, DYDY, you know, it's like camera don't give you justice, do you look pretty in a real life, and it's like them not show up.
Okay.
You know, you have somewhere, sometimes I wonder if them, you know, I'm not going to say that because it's probably going to get me in trouble, but you have somewhere really enough of themselves, and you know, majority of them just
Cuba. I remember one time, it was a while ago, it's like somebody did shake your hand and squeeze it and broke it. Like, what did happen with that? Talk to me.
I was working in Times Square at the time, and this guy, he just came and he saw me and he was like, oh my god, DYDY, I love you so much. And I was like, okay, because you know, I'm really nice to my supporters, because I don't call them fans, I call them supporters. So he came and hugged him and stuff, and then he hold him from my hand like this, and he just did it. And then Missy said, nah, let go. And
So what you gotta do now?
Me I pull, but him still a whole while him a pull, and me I say, what is? And then at the time at my job, security came.
Okay.
And like,
So why your job him come?
yeah, because them time I didn't care. Just everybody, you had mad people coming to my job looking for me and stuff because we advertising.
Okay.
So he just popped up, and
So what man like when only?
and him did it, and squeeze and me try like you pull out.
Yeah.
And
Pull
he
up.
go, oh my god, your man is so sweaty.
A joke. Alright.
Go ahead.
No, but say I'm shaking now.
Yeah, and pull up. And he must squeeze.
So I say you there lean back on that
yeah,
chair?
me I say, yo, I'm like, sir, you're hurting me. Excuse me, sir, you're hurting me.
I wait, I don't know.
And he's like, you're so pretty, oh my god, I love you. I'm like, sir, you're hurting me. And then I start cuss up some cloth, and then security here. And
So
they
all
came.
this time you cuss at him now, let go.
The thing when I say, sir, you're hurting me. And I stop, but I stop. That's why everybody run, you know, they're so overprotective. Because it still happen, like people just run up on me and just start the crazy things.
Of course, do people come to you and feel like, oh, DYDY, what, like them know you a long time. No.
Yeah, or sometimes they'll be like, oh, just touch me up, so Regine.
About the hair.
I'm saying you can knock this. It that work? Hi, hello. Natural girls, we don't like when people touch the hair. We don't like it. We don't, especially we don't know if we're not on a period. We don't know when on the deck. I don't know the whole saying, like if a woman on her period and she touch your ear, it will fall off.
Really?
Yeah. Very superstitious grandmother pastor. Me don't play them something there. Well, we don't play those things.
We don't.
We don't. Natural girls don't like when. As a matter of fact, I don't think girls at all like when random people put their hand in their hair.
Picky head, but I don't really see nobody
Yeah.
touch it, but.
You know, only your boyfriends should do stuff like that. You know, like pull it and rub it and.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but you see in public, do white people do that a lot to you?
No, them have sense. Cause once them hear the accent, them know say, okay, you know, we just want to tell her that, you know, we watch her stuff too and we support her, but we're not going to put our hands in her hair.
So white
we're
people
not
be
going
like,
to
oh
do
my
that.
God, like,
No.
Is
like
it okay?
Like they'll say, oh my god, your hair is so nice, but they don't touch it.
they don't touch it.
They don't touch
So
it.
is it okay for us to touch each other's hair? Like curly girl to curly girl or not?
I just think you gotta be mindful, or at least ask like, hey, can I touch your hair? Like people don't ask.
People
like,
ask
they
if your hair real?
yeah.
And then they'll ask to touch it, right?
No.
Oh.
Them we just put them. You can touch your hair.
Oh yeah.
Then we just see me and put them on in my ear like, oh my god, your hair is real.
So what you said?
Right? Okay. You know, my head I say, look in the box in your face.
I know, I hate that. Yeah, so
Don't
rule
like
number
it.
1, don't touch a curly girl's hair without asking at least.
It's not even about curling yourself. Natural girls hair in general.
Yeah.
Hair in don't touch people here. You don't know it. What if somebody have lice in there? You know what I say? What if you have lice in there? What if a big fatty leg just wrap around your fingers so after you put your hand in there? No, man.
Thank you so much for coming here
Oh wait, here.
and hanging out with me all day. Oh, like my ear like a bag of roughly not a box.
From my
Okay, so what you got?
I shirt. You want them see?
Yeah, my one them seats so they
just
can
go.
get it, you know, wherever they want to.
Here, you do it at your things.
Oh my God.
Your things. We don't work with your Chiney.
I feel like, oh, okay. So tell me about the logo real quick.
It stands for cymatic.
Cymatic. Okay.
It's the bracelet. I think you should open this and look at the bracelet.
Jeez and peas. You
The
see the
bracelet.
pretty box? Look at the pretty box.
Shout out to my manager Sean. I do all of them something here.
Sean, big up yourself. You know my ex-boyfriend's name is Sean?
Oh God, dog, it's a rap. You can't even try to talk to her.
No, sorry. Get left.
You know if that check you out though.
Did you not check me? I don't know.
That check
Sorry.
you out.
If you have a name, you have a nickname? What your nickname? Spooky? Spooky can't work. Hi,
What?
Spooky.
The fact that she said Spooky can't work now, that means that she won't give you a chance. What?
Spooky. We can talk after. Oh, yeah. Alright. So Spooky rock this, right? I feel like someone can't say like, oh my God, Spooky got you.
You can basically say that because you check it out for you and make sure so that one was neat.
You know, Valentine's Day will come out though, right?
You can carry out for Valentine's Day? You like red wine? Because he likes wine.
Oh yeah?
It's very bougie.
Which wine? That wine here or like that wine?
I think he likes both.
Oh,
Especially
yes.
that one year.
Ah, bitch! Look at that! How awesome is this?
Pineapple bracelet.
A pineapple bracelet. Can I put it on now?
Yes.
Oh my God! Can I put that on? Oh wait. Put on in campaign?
Yeah, I can pick one. It's about big and girls.
What is it?
We're not going into details.
What the hell?
I don't know what I'm thinking about. And
This
then
is the cutest thing. OMG.
and this has for the PumPum on it, my logo.
Oh, for the PumPum. Ew. So, can you wear it over me?
This that's why we brought this one because this one now is like for the natural hair.
But I'm gonna wear this though. I'm not getting nobody so if you don't ask my feet.
So
I'm
this
gonna
one,
use it.
this made this for natural people like we have problems with on hot. So you put catch up the hair ish and then you put that on and then you let it out.
Yeah, because it have the open back for all the curly girls or big hair girls. But you get the point. It's a hat, okay?
You get the
I
shreds.
love this. DYDY, thank you so much for the
Thanks for
merch.
having
I
me.
really appreciate it. Thanks for letting my fans and followers know about DYDY. I'm sure they already know, but I'm hoping they know a little bit more. So make sure you guys follow her, DYDY, everywhere. If you Google it, YouTube it, which I did that, and everything come up. Official DYDY on Instagram, right? That's the legit one. How many followers you got now?
413,000.
413,000 followers. So some of my followers jump on PR thing, subscribe on our thing. Make sure you support her new music that she has out right now, and just support her in general. Anything you want to say before?
Big up for yourself. For the PumPum.
Not
the signature.
Yes,
Do the signature. Hello.
all right, guys, you already know. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and make sure you share this video. Support FRting, support Chiney K, support Jolie Fair here, and then we will see you on the next video. Oh, that's the eyes you was talking about?
Problem.
Are the cheeks? That's the cheeks you was talking about? Look at her blushing. Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's your girl, Bad Girl DYDY, and I'm representing for On My Mind series. Make sure to check it out, because I just don't do my big bad interview. Chiney K and the whole crew, big up on yourself. Bad Girl said that. Bullet.
Coming in, I'm coming in, coming in.